Hello students, welcome to the biology online class. We are discussing about climate and adaptation. We have seen that climate has a great effect on all the living organisms. In our previous class, we have learned about adaptation of polar bear and penguins. We have seen that how their body features is modified so that they can adjust with the extreme cold of those regions. Besides these polar bear and penguins, there are some birds are also present in polar regions. Today we will learn about migration and adaptation in big cat. Now, what is migration? When the weather of a place becomes unsuitable for birds, then they fly away to other places. They come back when the weather changes again. This process is known as migration, and the birds are known as migratory birds. Migration of birds is an adaptation to escape the harsh and cold conditions of their normal habitat in winter so as to survive. This point will become more clear from the following discussion. The birds must remain warm to survive. When the winter sets in cold regions of the earth, the climate becomes extremely cold. The birds which normally live in these regions migrate to far-flung warmer places to escape the extremely cold winter climate and survive. And when the winter season is over, these birds fly back to their original habitats in the cold regions. Thus, the seasonal movement of the complete population of the animal from one area to another area is termed as migration. The birds in polar regions cannot tolerate the extreme cold of winter, therefore they migrate. Here you can see two examples of the polar birds like Siberian crane and Arctic tern. I have already told you that migration of birds or other animal is an adaptation to escape the harsh and cold condition of their normal habitat in winter so that they can survive. The birds which migrate from very cold regions to warmer regions in winter and go back after the winter is over, these birds are known as migratory birds. The Siberian crane must keep its body warm to survive in winter. So during the winter, it migrates to far away warmer places. Siberian cranes come to places in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in Siberia. India is one of the destinations of many of the migratory birds coming from the very cold regions of the earth. Now the question comes in your mind that how do migratory birds travel to the same place year after year? An exact answer to this question is still not available. Some of the probable reasons for how the migratory birds travel to the same place year after year are maybe that the migratory birds have a built-in sense of direction which tells them in which direction to fly to reach the same place. Some migratory birds probably use landmarks to guide them to reach the same place. Many migratory birds may be guided by the position of sun during the day and by the position of stars at night to reach the same place. There is also some evidence that the migratory birds may be using the magnetic field of Earth to find the direction so as to reach the same place. It is not only the birds which migrate. Even mammals, many types of fish and insects such as butterflies are known to migrate seasonally in search of favorable climatic conditions and food. For example, reindeer is a mammal which migrates. Reindeers live in herds in the cold northern regions of North America where they feed on grass and shrubs in the summer. During winter, when the snowfall occurs, all the grass and shrubs get buried in snow, and reindeers do not get any food. Due to this, reindeers migrate to the warmer regions in the south where they get sufficient food. They return to the original habitat in the north after a few months when the snow starts melting. Children, I hope you have understood about migration. Now we will learn about the tropical rainforest. The area of Earth near both sides of the equator is called tropical region. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. During hot summer days, the temperature in this region may go above 40 degrees Celsius. Even in the coldest months, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. The tropical regions get plenty of rainfall. This makes the region humid. Thus, the tropical regions have hot and humid climate. In tropical regions, days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. An important feature of this region of Earth is the tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. In our country, tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam. Because of highly favorable climatic conditions in tropical rainforests, such as continuous warmth and rain, a large variety of plants and animals are found in tropical rainforests. The major types of animals living in the tropical rainforests are lions, tigers, leopards, elephants, monkeys, apes, lion-tailed macaw, gorillas, birds, snakes, lizards, frogs, and insects, etc. Now, we will learn about the adaptation of cat and leopards. The big cat and leopard have flexible bodies designed for running, jumping, and climbing. Their intestines are short as they only digest meat and not vegetable matter. Their sharp teeth are like scissors to tear the flesh. They hunt at night because they have larger field of vision. These lions and tigers have thick brown skin which help them to hide easily in the forests. They have sensitive hearing and sharp eyesight which help to protect them from predators and to catch their prey. The big cats, that means the lions and tigers, they have eyes in front of their head which enable them to have a correct idea of the location of their prey. This helps in catching the prey. The big cats also have good eyesight for hunting at night. The big cats can run very fast. The high speed of running helps the big cats in catching their prey. The big cats have long, strong, and sharp claws in their front legs to catch their prey. The big cats can withdraw the claws inside the toes so that they do not get worn out and blunt when they walk. See the picture here? How sharp the canine is, isn't it? Big cats have powerful teeth and jaws to kill large prey. So, children, we have learned about the adaptation in big cats, that means lions and tigers, leopards, etc. Okay, in the next class, we will learn about the adaptations of other animals which live in the tropical rainforest. You have to read the topic which I taught today from your book. In the next class, we will learn about some more animals. So, children, thank you all. Stay safe and happy.